Opposition leader V D Satheesan had visited a disaster relief camp in Elenthikara Government LP School. He exchanged pleasantries with Jayaprasad, a class 1 student who was with his mother. The child told the opposition leader that he lost his chappal which had gone into the water caused by rain. Jayaprasad had been unwilling to get down from his mother's embrace after his footwear got washed away in the waters. Heavy rains have flooded many parts of Kerala, leaving people seek shelter in relief camps. The little boy Jayaprasad was very sad that he lost his chappals in the rains. However, the opposition leader consoled the kid and told him that he will buy him a new pair of chappals. The child then asked for a footwear with bells and V D Satheesan promised to buy him the same. Following which, Jayaprasad got into the opposition leader's car and went in search of a footwear shop. The child was happy after receiving a new pair of footwear. After buying him tea, the opposition leader took the child back to the camp. This warm gesture of the opposition leader has been applauded by many. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.